Hi there. Today we are going to talk about how to create a best financing plan for you. When you are looking to buy a home, the first thing most home buyers do is start the process of house hunting. However, experience proves that this is one of the last steps that you should be taking if you want to get the most home and for the least amount of money. In fact, shopping for the best financing should start long before you start shopping for a home. This report outlines 3 important steps you should take to obtain the best financing rates when you buy a home. View this video out to find out where you can inquire, what questions you should ask, and how to manage the process to your personal advantage. When you are looking for an agent to assist you in finding a home, make sure you find out answers to some of these important questions. Number 1, can you get me quick, easy, and free mortgage pre-approval? Can I get preferred access to special low down payments, monthly payments, and interest rates? Can I get special advance notice of listings that computers match my home buying criteria? Now you as a buyer, you owe it to yourself to benefit from these cost savings. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage will give you a number of important benefits, including emotional security in the house hunting process and insurance against rising interest rates in the marketplace. Now, pre-approval is easy and can give you complete peace of mind when shopping for your home. Mortgage brokers can obtain written pre-approval for you at no cost and no obligation. More than just a verbal approval from your lending institution, a written pre-approval is as good as money in your pocket or money in your bank. It entails a completed credit application and a certificate which guarantees you a mortgage to the specified level when you find the home you are looking for. Pre-approval means no last-minute shopping around for money and rates. With a pre-approved mortgage, if rates go up, you still get the pre-approved rate. But if rates go down, you receive the lower rate. Agents that conduct hundreds of real estate transactions every year may be able to offer you certain negotiating advantages with lending institutions. These lenders are often anxious to do business with such agents and their clients, and they may be willing to extend better than average rates. This can make purchasing a home much easier and more affordable for many buyers to qualify for a minimum down payment and at the same time low monthly payments. Therefore, many more buyers can own the home of their dreams much sooner than they ever thought possible. Most agents offer a house hunting service to make it easier for you to find the home you want. Through these programs, you can find out in advance which homes on the market match your home buying criteria. To do this, you simply provide your agent with a brief description of the type of home you are looking for. For example, how many number of bedrooms you need, how many number of bathrooms you need, price range, neighborhoods, schools, and so on and so forth. Then you should receive advance notice including pictures and videos of all the homes for sale that match your requirements. This will give you the competitive edge to find out before other buyers which homes that are likely to be of interest to you. Because you are there before most other buyers, perhaps you can even negotiate a better price. You can then drive by these homes without the assistance of an agent to see which ones you want to view. Then it's simply a matter of you advising your agent which homes you like and do you want to see. If you'd like to get started on your home search now, call us or send us an email at the number below.